I'm Umang Khandelwal. I have done my schooling from St. Paul Higher Secondary School, Indore. I have scored 93% in class 10th and 90.6% in class 12th. I have scored 735 out of 800 in CUET-UG 2024. I have prepared with CH for my after 12th entrance exam. My overall experience with CH was good. The material is well organized and the faculty members are both well qualified as well as engaging. The faculty is very kind and always willing to help. I was initially concerned about my consistently low quant scores. However, Amit Mishra sir assisted me greatly in clarifying up my doubts and helped me gaining an edge on quants. Dipendra sir, Amit Garg sir and Vikas sir were always available to us in the backend, whether we have to clear up any confusion or have a question about post-exam decisions. Verbal ability was a major challenge for me when I first joined CHH Makers, but with the help of Sheetal ma'am, I was able to improve it and the difference is really noticeable. CHH Makers has helped me in achieving a satisfactory score in CUET-UG, and this was all due to the quality resources provided here and regular mocks, which has helped me to logically solve MCQ type questions. I will definitely recommend CHH Makers to my juniors. Thank you, CH.